This is a very important milestone. We have partnered up with Sidel as part of Tetra Laval Group to deliver the first aseptic PET line for our business in Vietnam, DenEast Vietnam. We choose Sidel for what we feel very strong, proven expertise and also the long-standing reputation in aseptic technology. And for us, that's super important to be able to reach the highest safety standards for our customers.
Tetra Laval Group has a long history relationship with DenEast, and Sidel is proud to partner with them to deliver the first complete aseptic solution of its kind.
Now we also needed a solution that can reach our customer needs in terms of flexibility. We are setting up a plant for high total solids, high protein nutrition products, and one of our lead customers, they will with our support be able to expand the growth on the Vietnamese and Southeast Asian markets.
It has been a pleasure today to share and exchange with our customer DenEast the results of the validation done on his machine. Today they were here and we showed them the results of the microbial challenge test. The target was achieved for both the internal and external surface of the caps.
Today marked an important milestone with DenEast, following the successful factory acceptance test at our Sidel plants in Italy and France. It's a testament to the strong teamwork, understanding and commitment from everyone.
The factory acceptance test at Sidel is a crucial step before the equipment can go all the way to Vietnam, and we are very happy with the results together with our lead customer, and exciting times ahead.